Hey everyone, welcome back into tutorial. In this video I am going to show you how to enable auto backup for the Google Photos. As you know that Google Photo is one of the great application for storing and organizing your photos and video. So in this video I will guide you step by step process how to enable auto backup so you can reset or assure that your memory are safely stored. So let's jump to the video. First of all, open your Google Photo application on your mobile device. Make sure that you are logged in. So now you can see that at the top right corner your profile icon, tap on that. Now here you can see backup is off, and down turn on backup option, tap on that option. Now toggle on this option. After that use your internet connection and choose your daily limit for the backup. So in this way you can enable auto backup for the Google Photos. Your photos and video will be automatically backup to your Google account. So if you like this video, please don't forget to like, subscribe and comment below.